Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today, it's going to be a fun little video because I'm going to be playing around with just purple eyeshadow. This is from Nomad Cosmetics and it's the Intense Eyeshadow in the shade Alfheim. And I just have to read you the description of this. Intensely smooth eyeshadow in duochrome lavender shade with sapphire shift. Amazing. Formulated with extra fine pigments and infused with cloudberry seed oil for stunning color payoff. Cruelty-free and vegan, free of parabens, phthalates, and mineral oil. So I got this in my June 2022 Ipsy Glam bag, and that unbagging video is up here on YouTube if you haven't seen it yet. But I'm so excited to get into this. The packaging is really pretty, and it's this cute little eyeshadow single. It has an N kind of embossed on it, if you can see that texture a little bit. But oh my gosh, I am so excited to swatch this. Let's see how it looks. Oh my gosh, definitely a nice buttery feel. Ooh, oh my gosh. So pretty. It's got like shimmer in it and that, yeah, like a duochrome shift a little bit. It's lighter than I was expecting based off of how it looks in the pan here. So it's actually like a little less intimidating than I was thinking it would be for a purple shade. Like I wouldn't say that it's more muted, I guess, just maybe not quite as bold and intense as I was thinking I was getting into. But I am going to go ahead and apply eyeshadow primer to one of my eyes. This is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, which I'm always using to review eyeshadows. I just blend it all over the lid. And since I'm going to be creating an eyeshadow look using just this one shade, I'm going to get to apply it in a few different techniques. So first, I am going to pick up a fluffy brush because I want more of a lightly diffused shade to go into the crease area. Wow, it's like kind of hard to actually pick it up onto the brush. That's weird. But let's see how that works if I'm just blending it here. Oh, I didn't think I picked up much on the brush, but bam, that is there. Wow. Okay, that is beautiful. I am so glad I'm trying this out in this way because I would never think to put this purple shimmer in the crease, but I love that. It actually is like giving definition to the eye, but because of that shimmer sparkle, it's also giving like a highlighted effect. And it is just so pretty. That was so quick and easy to apply. And I actually love that to start a colorful eyeshadow look, or does it even need to be colorful? Maybe not. Like that is just such a beautiful start to a look. I don't know why it's like hard to tell if I have any on the brush. Thought I had more than I did. Picking up some more, let's see. Oh my gosh, this is just the most blendable, easy to apply shade. I was not expecting that. I really love that. It shows up so well. Like it's obviously a noticeable purple shade, great pigment. You can see the shine, the shimmer from far away. Oh my gosh. Even just this right here, just the purple in the crease onto the brow bone like that, I would never think to necessarily do that, but I would like this right here. All that I have on my eyes right now, I love that alone. Wow. It's always so fun trying out these new techniques or out of my comfort zone looks and loving it. Wow. Okay, let's see how it progresses. I am going to pick this up with my finger now because typically for shimmery types of eyeshadows, I do prefer to apply with my finger. And I'm going to go all over the lid. See how it looks. Wow. So sometimes when I try this type of look or this technique with a single eyeshadow shade, it's a much more noticeable difference in color from blended out with a fluffy brush versus the lid. And in this case, it looks pretty similar. Like, I am getting slightly more opaque on the lid as I'm building it up with my finger. But it kind of looks like I just used the same brush to apply it from the lash line up to the brow bone. Like, there's not a difference in shade the way I was kind of expecting, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. I do like having a little bit more like variation in my eye look rather than just a completely kind of monochromatic single eyeshadow shade all over. But this color is so pretty, so fun, that it is still like interesting and it still adds so much to the eye with just this one shade. Oh, and it is so incredibly easy to apply. So now this is the eye with the primer. This is the eye without the primer, and there is no difference. And I feel like that's a good telltale sign of a good quality eyeshadow because it's just as vibrant without the primer. Oh my gosh, this color just makes me happy. I love how this looks alone, but I'm so excited to incorporate this into other eyeshadow looks and wear it in the crease. The way I started this look out, but then using other shades, but I never would have done that if I hadn't just tried it. Wow. So if you have this, I highly recommend you try that out because I think it looks so pretty. I think it would look so pretty on you. Oh, I can't stop looking in the mirror at this color. I just love it. So let me know in the comments down below, either if you have this or maybe you just have some ideas or recommendations of eyeshadow looks that I should do with this and how to incorporate it. Like, what other colors should I use? Where should I apply it? This is just such an inspiring shade. I'm so happy to have this to reach for. So beautiful. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.